Welcome back to Lakeside Motors. Today we will continue with the plywood boat build. This is part 2 of this series. In last episode we managed to come this far. We made a bottom plate and 2 sides. And
I don't know how I cut this thing.
And
but it's
we
like a centimeter here.
What? Okay, alright.
I missed the line like.
Oh. Yes, but today we'll continue. I don't know what we're going to do. Maybe the tail, maybe?
Yeah. No, this should be the front. But
that's the tail.
Yeah,
this is the tail.
But
no, that's the tail.
Yeah?
That's the tail, because we planned the motor right there.
Yep.
Okay. That's the tail. Do you have a pencil?
I got a pencil.
Like, do you have a pencil? Give me a pencil. I just draw a tail right on here.
Tail! But you don't spell tail like that.
You do.
That's like a tail on an animal.
Whatever! It's a tail! From this angle it looks like a just rock fail.
No. That's fail.
Okay.
Failure. Failure.
Yes, and when somebody finds this like in like 30 years, and then like rip it apart, and then we'll see like somebody that'll take a permanent marker and just draw failure. Nothing else? Okay.
No one wanna ride this one. It's like it's a hole there.
Yeah, so and we are not gonna lay it in the water to let it like swallow up, cause that is going to, when you take it up
again, sort
again,
of glue or something.
silicone. If you take like
what if this one moves? That was pretty rip.
No, silicone, that is like rubber, so it's flexible.
Or
You could put like something like this.
They fill it in epoxy.
No, it shouldn't be so expensive. But if you put something like this, in here,
and just
take
it up better.
Yes, and then I think we need some silicone from the outside here, and I think that will work.
Do we have some plastic foam or something that we can line this one with, and then add this one?
Like styrofoam or something.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think we have styrofoam.
Because if we could start that off here, we will have it won't stick.
Yeah,
even if
we could like cut a piece of styrofoam.
Yeah, because it's failure, we need to have styrofoam.
Yeah, we have to cover this in styrofoam, then put that on top, and yeah. So if if the bottom plywood here,
it's failure.
Yeah, if it gets damaged and it starts leaking, there will be some styrofoam inside. That will, yes, and then you can still float and get back home. Just a little safety thing.
I just don't anyway, but
yeah. You know what? Let's go see if we can get some styrofoam. So we didn't find any styrofoam.
We found
3 big sheets of styrofoam, but we couldn't get them out of there because it was like loads of stuff on top of them.
I don't know how we should do it. Should we put the motor in now?
Or
make the rear part?
The idea we had is that we gotta take something like that and put it on top of here, so we have like double plates. So if this one breaks, you still have another one. And
you don't need to sit on it.
No, you don't have to sit on these beams here.
But
because that's not comfortable.
When should
Should we just put the motor on? But I think we should put the motor on the second sheet.
Yep.
Because if we have the motor on this and it would break right there, the motor will just go down into the lake.
Yeah, but it's stupid. Is it stupid to put the motor in place now?
I don't know.
When we don't have impeller or propeller or what you call it? Probably impeller. We should get it, yes, maybe just water.
Yeah, I think you can get a prop like and make it out of plywood.
Yeah, but
You
it's
like-
hard to get a prop out of it.
No, you cut like the shape in 2D, and then you cut out, and then I think you can steam bend it.
What else like?
So you like take it, you can take it in the kitchen
That is stupid because we can
and
buy
like boil it and bend it.
but you can buy like a prop for. We should probably get someone here in Sweden for like.
Not much at all. Biltema maybe? They maybe have something for like 30 bucks. We can try making our own, but
it's like if it runs into. I broke my tractor again today.
yep, it's true.
The belt. I don't know. Is it right off?
No.
Off, or did it just go piece out?
It's like a piece, maybe like a 3-inch piece.
Straight out
Like
of the belt. We had to tow it home.
3 inches long, 1/4 of an inch wide piece just flew off the belt.
I hear like it's scramble behind.
Yes, and I saw like that little piece just go out of underneath, like, and I was like, oh, what was that? And I thought like, yeah, probably something like a stick or something. But yeah, carnage, total carnage.
Yeah.
We took like a ratchet strap and pulled it home, and it.
Yeah.
Yep.
I had it have it.
Yep.
And I took a ratchet strap and strapped it in. You know, like the rear fenders on the mini pickup truck.
Yep. But we came home safely at least. And you did a wheelie with it. You did 2 wheelies while pulling it home.
And I jumped the mini
Yes.
truck.
For the first time.
For the first time, like 2 days ago.
Enough waffle. Let's get back to the video.
Yep.
Yes. We should probably make the therapy first.
I mean, it's like a mini Pavati. It's a Pavati. Like, it's a Pavati for like a free Pavati.
Yes. And like, and you should have like a mini.
We have to have.
You have a little like deck, a little lip there with a little deck on.
Yeah, with real leather on.
Real leather. No. Teak wood.
Teak wood.
Yes, it's expensive. And then on, and you should have a little ladder on it so you can climb down.
Ladder.
Yeah,
we
so
can just make it of some aluminium.
yeah, just some aluminium. Yeah. And then you can like lay some weight in the front.
If you step on it, the boat flips over and get.
Yeah.
But we should have the Bluetooth speaker.
2 Bluetooth speakers. You have one. I have one.
No,
Let's put both in there.
No, we should make like a Bluetooth speaker system.
Oh yeah.
And some like light LEDs.
No. It's safe.
LED strips, so we can go like banging out on the
Yes. We should do that. Cut that out. Cut that out. I won't film when you cut it out. We'll film too many things now.